Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Sophia and I'd love to have you as a subscriber. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, the little notification bell. If you like this video, please like it if you like it. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a things I'm throwing out video, and it could be because, you know, it's empty, or it could be because I actually hate it. So let's get started. Okay, the first item on my list is this. So the deal with this was I bought it last year around Christmas in Sweden, and I have used this before when I was a teenager and I loved it, but when I got home with it, I looked at the ingredients list and I was very surprised to see that there was alcohol in it. However, despite my better lack of judgment, I decided to use almost the entire bottle. So anyways, I'm throwing the rest of this out. I'm just not using it anymore, and I won't be purchasing this again because it's not great for your skin. Alcohol is very drying, and I'm very surprised that in the cold Scandinavian winter I decided to use that. Another thing that I am getting rid of today is this e.l.f. eyeshadow palette. This is the Everyday Smoky palette. It's a very nice palette. It's just all cool tones, and I'm just trying to get rid of cool tones, and I don't really need to have another eyeshadow palette that has cool tones in it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this one out. Something else that I am throwing away is because this is empty. This is the Loven Grip Care and Color. This is a product from Sweden. You may or may not be familiar with this brand. It is available on Amazon, I believe. But they have hair care and skincare. When I go back to Sweden, I plan on buying some of their skincare items to use. By the way, this has the most amazing smell. This stuff smells so good. I probably won't buy this specific product again. Maybe shampoos and conditioners, maybe something else. Let's move on to another empty product. You can probably hardly tell what this is. I always called it Welda, but this is the Valida, maybe it's a V. Skin Food, and I was actually using this as a moisturizer on my face. Usually I was using it at night because it has a very, very glow. It leaves you very moisturized looking. However, this stuff also has the most amazing smell to it. I just want to show you guys how glossy it gets. You see that? So yeah, I was using it on my face, but this is just empty now, so I'm gonna probably get a new one once I get back to Sweden. Something else I'm going to be getting rid of, even though I really like this little compact that it comes in, is the Catch the Curl. This is a lip and cheek color, and it's a cream. However, I never use this color for my lips, and it is just too red for me to have on my cheeks. It's just like, if I try to put this on my cheeks, it looks like I have like a rash or something. This is like the nicest compact. It comes with a little mirror and very nice, very small, dainty, black, sleek gold writing on it. This isn't empty. This is the Thick and Fast mascara from Soap and Glory. I really liked the brush on this one. Let me show you guys the brush. This is what the brush looks like, and there's like two sides to it. So one has like a longer side and one has a shorter side. And I would always start with the long side first to just coat the lashes in color, and then flip it over to the shorter side to like start to get them to be. It was a good mascara. Will I buy it again? Probably not. Something else I'm getting rid of is this H&M nail polish. I've actually finished this. That's why I am getting rid of it. This is in the You Say Tomato shade. And yeah, it's gone. Something else I'm getting rid of is this Shine On lip gloss by Flower Beauty. I have used all of it. I love this lip gloss. It's super hydrating. It's not sticky. Unfortunately, I think they discontinued this because I can't find it on their website, and I've looked in stores to see if I can find it, and I can't find it. So maybe they've replaced it, maybe they've renamed it, but I'll need to look around a little bit better to see if I can find a replacement for this one, because this one was a really good one. Something else that I'm getting rid of is this Instant Moisture Glow YSL Top Secret. I'm getting rid of it. It's also almost empty, and I'm not trying to bring this back to Sweden with me, so no offense YSL, but you're going. Two other products that I have as empties are the Young Blood. This is the Light Mineral Rice Setting Powder. Empty. Used it all. Loved it. Loved it. And this is also the Young Blood. This was just a little sample that came with the setting powder, but this is the High Def Powder Translucent. Lucius Malfoy. Anyways, so this is completely upside down for you guys. However, yes, so this is the brand Youngblood. I finished these products. I liked them. Another thing that I'm getting rid of, and it's not even empty, but I just don't like the way it looks anymore, and I'm gonna actually buy a new one before I leave for Sweden, is the Milani Romantic Rose blush. I'm just gonna buy a new one. Like, I don't know, call me wasteful, but that's ugly. So I'm getting a new one. The next thing is a skincare item, and it is the Super Bounce from Glossier. I really liked using this one when I was in Sweden. I almost dropped it. It has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's a little bit more moisturizing for you to use. I still have a bit of product left at the bottom, as you can see, but I can't get it out. I can't get the product out because of the little Doppler thing. Okay, so I have one more Glossier item that I'm getting rid of, and this is the Stretch Concealer. Now, the problem with this one for me was that I bought the shade medium, and that might have been my mistake. And honestly, when I bought it, I used it for a long time, and then I realized, whoa, this is not my color. So that was pretty bad that I didn't realize it. It is just way too yellow toned for me. I do like this, and I will probably try to buy the Stretch Concealer in Light. As you can see, I've used quite a bit of this. I still have quite a bit left. I did like it, but this was just not, it's way too yellow toned for me. The last lip product that I'm getting rid of is this Kylie Jenner, little Kylie Jenner baby. I bought this when I bought her Valentine's collection. I have a little video on that, which maybe I can put here or there. However, this is the shade Gorge. I don't know if this is just like specific to her Valentine's Day collection. Anyways, this one was nice. It smells good. It's just super patchy. I could never get it to lay right on my lips. I would scrub them and try with chapstick underneath. I would scrub them and try with nothing underneath. Just too patchy. I couldn't work with it, so I have to get rid of it. That is it for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me comments below telling me, you know, what you liked, what you didn't like, things that if you bought any of this stuff and you liked it more than I liked it, let me know. And I will see you guys in my next video.